Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir. You are audible.
hello Ajay.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Audible, sir.
हेलो अजय अजय आवाज जा रही है?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, नाउ लेट स्टार्ट. जस्ट वेट. मुस्कान गुप्ता, शिशिर कुमार, विनीत सिन्हा. Now, when the beam of light strikes with the plate A, the plate, we know that the plate A is half silver, semi silver. So the beam here at the point A, the beam is divided into two parts. One is reflected and another is transmitted. So the reflected beam moves towards mirror M1, which is kept at point P and falls normally. Just wait. Here at the point P, M1
Yes,
mirror
sir.
is having
Sir.
the beam strikes with this mirror
Hello.
and reflected back towards A. And after being transmitted, beam move towards mirror M2, which is kept at the point Q and falls normally. After entering through the passing through the plate C, so it is reflected back by the mirror M2 and intertraces its path QA. At A, it is reflected and it is enter into the telescope T. So these two beams, after reflection, these two beams entering into this telescope, which in which the phenomena of interference has to be created. So producing the interference fringes. Now, according to this diagram, we are taking two frame of reference. One is F is the fixed frame of reference, and another F dash is another frame of reference which is moving with a velocity v, and their origin are the O and O dash be the origin of both the frame of reference. Now, suppose F frame of reference is in the ether medium, and this F dash is frame of reference is moving with this velocity v in the direction of the movement of this apparatus. So the velocity here I have written A with a half silver plate and M2 with a mirror, and the distance between them is D. Time taken by, just minute, two people, Prakhar Gupta. Time taken by the velocity of time taken by the light from reaching to the point A to M2 is T1. So we know that x is equal to x equal to v into t. So here distance is in place of x we can write d. Time is T1. The light coming from light taken by the time from point A to M2 days on reaching, it can be written as T1. So T1 is equal to d by c minus b. So here first we know that the velocity of light here, the velocity of light in the direction of the movement of the frame, direction of the movement of the frame means here f dash frame is on movable condition. So we can write f dash is equal to c minus b. Again, the velocity of light, the velocity of light in the opposite direction, here towards the fixed frame of reference, opposite direction of the movement of the frame, f is equal to, when we can write c plus b. Now after getting this two, the value of frame f dash and f means c minus b and c plus b, we can draw these two diagrams. And according to these two diagrams, time taken by the light is T1, and that will be equal to T1 is equal to D divided by C minus B, and T2 is equal to D divided by C plus B. When it moves in forward direction, or when it moves in opposite direction, these diagrams we are draw. So if T1, so the total distance T1 can be written as here, and T2 can be written as here. So the total distance to and fro times is suppose T. Suppose here T. So T is equal to T1 plus T2. So the value of T1 is here given here D divided by this, and T2 is given here D divided by this. So we solve this C minus B into C plus B will be taken as LCM. So solving this, we can write D C plus B plus D C minus B. So here DC plus DB plus DC minus DB divided by C minus B into C plus B, means A plus B into A minus B, C square minus B square. So DB and DB part will be cancelled. Here only rest part is 2DC, and here 2DC. Sorry, DC plus DC. So it it will be 2DC divided by this C square minus B square. Equation 1. Suppose the total distance traveled by the light is suppose x1. Total distance traveled by the light is x1. So we can write here x1 is equal to C velocity into t. Here on putting the value of equation 1, means the value of t is put on this position, means at the place of t, which is given in equation 2. So x1 is equal to C into t, which is given in equation 2. So here C into the value of t is 2dc divided by C square minus B square, which is written here. Now 2d, here d, only d, I have write a wrong. 2 is given here, but here only d will be having. So here d into C square divided by C square minus B square. So 2d C square divided by C square minus B square. So here 2d C square into 1 divided by C square minus B square. In this condition, we have divided 2d square divided by 2d square and 1 divided by C square minus B square. Both are divided with velocity C square. So here 2d C square divided by C square into 1 by C square minus B square divided by C square is equal to this C square will be cancelled. So rest part is 2d into 1 divided by, here we can write 1 minus B square divided by this C square is equal to 2d into this part can be written as here 1 minus B square divided by C square and inverse. So 2d into 1 plus B square by C square, equation 3, neglecting higher power. That's why here minus into minus plus, neglecting higher power. So here minus plus 2d into 1 plus B square by C square, which is equation 3. Now this is another figure. Here you will write figure 3, and this figure is will be equation 4. Sorry, figure 4. So in figure 3, here there is a half silvered plate A is given here. Now this is the mirror M1, and sorry, here M1 mirror is given here and M2 mirror is given here. M2 mirror is placed in horizontal direction, but M1 mirror is placed in vertical direction. So according to first diagram, we can draw this diagram. Means figure 3 is to be drawn with the help of figure 1. Now here A, and if we draw a perpendicular from this point, so R be the midpoint of M2 mirror and half silvered mirror. So the distance between them, means A and R, is L. So here AR is equal to X equal to B into T. So in this case, x, this part is x is equal to v into t. So v or time is, and time is t days. So here again we know that t days is equal to x by v, t is equal to x by v. So x, here x is L, and v, in place of v we can write c. C is the c can be written as velocity. So equation, on putting the value of equation 5 in 4, means AR is equal to V into T days. T days, in place of T days we can write L divided by C. So we are getting equation 6. Now according to this figure, means figure 2, here A M1, A with a half silvered mirror, M1 with a mirror 1, which is placed at point P, and R with a this part here, perpendicular part is R. So the distance between A, means half silver plate, to the mirror M1 is L, and the distance between M1 here, already given here, M1 and R is suppose D. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write A M1 square is equal to M1 R square plus AR square. Here AR square, A M1 square, A M1 square is given here, value is L. L square is equal to the value of M1 R is D. So here we can write D square plus AR. So we have got the value of AR is VL by C, which is given in equation 6. So the value is put here. Now L square is equal to D square plus, here we can write V square L square divided by C square. This V square L square, this value V square L square divided by C square come into the left hand side. So the sign will be changed. So here L square minus V square L square divided by C square is equal to, here rest part is D square. So here we can take an L square as a common. So L square, rest part is this part will cancel. So here we can write 1 minus V square divided by C square is equal to D square, or L square is equal to D square divided by 1 plus 1 minus V square divided by C square. That's why the value of L is equal to D divided by root under 1 minus V square by C square is equal to D into this part. On solving this, we can write here this part, and the result is D into 1 plus V square by C square. The value of L square, L is given here, that is D into 1 plus V square divided by C square. So the length is L. If the light going from upward direction, means reaches to point M1, mirror M1, and after back, when it strikes with the mirror M1, it is reflected back into the towards the position A. So the total distance traveled by the light is 2L. Here there is a value of 1L, means when light moves from upward direction means when light imitate through a partially silvered mirror A, and it reaches to the mirror M2, partially silvered plate A, and reaches to the mirror M1 is L. When it return back towards the A plate, so in that case we can write 2L is equal to 2D into 1 plus V square divided by 2C square. So 2L is, we can assume that 2L is equal to x2, sorry. In upper part we have already assumed x1 distance, and total distance is x2. After return back towards the into the plate A, the distance is x2 is equal to 2D into 1 plus V square divided by 2C square. Here equation 7. Now according to this, the path difference will be x1 minus x2. The total distance traveled by the light is the total distance traveled by the light in time t is going from A to M1 dash and back to A. The value is, we have got from equation 7, from equation 3 and 7, we are getting two values, x1 and x2. From equation 3, you have, see here, x1, the value of x1 is given in equation 3, we have got, and in equation 7, we have got the value of x2. So the path difference is x1 minus x2. In place of x1, we can write the value of x1 here minus x2. x2 means here, I have already given here, is equal to 2d. After solving this, we can write c square plus b square divided by c square minus here 2d. Again, this will be solving and we got 2c square plus b square divided by 2c square. Here in 2d will be taken as a common, so rest part is c square plus b square divided by c square minus rest part is here minus 2c square plus b square divided by this 2c square is equal to 2d. Here we have taken LCM 2c square, so rest part is 2 here c square and given here 2c square, so c square will be cancelled, so rest part is 2, this 2 c square plus b square minus c2 here 2c square and 2c square will be cancelled, so rest part is 2c square plus b square is equal to 2d into 2c square plus here 2b square minus this 2c square plus into minus b square divided by this 2c square. Then 2c square will be cancelled. Just a minute. This 2c square and 2c square will be cancelled because they have positive as well as negative charge. So rest part is here 2 b square minus b square. So here only one b square will be having. Then 2d into b square, 1b square divided by this 2c square. 2 will be cancelled. Rest part is 2b square divided by c square. If the whole apparatus, Michelson-Morley experiment, this whole experimental setup is turned through an angle 90 degrees, this whole experiment setup, then in that case, if it is turned through an angle 90 degree, the path difference will be here minus dv square divided by c square. The displacement in the interference fringe. Interference fringe means the interference phenomena was created inside the telescope, so interference fringes are created into it. Therefore, the displacement in the interference fringes is 2 dv square divided by c square, which will shift the fringes in the telescope through a number of n number. So here we can write delta n. Delta n is equal to 2 dv square divided by c square and divided by lambda. Lambda is the wavelength. So solving this, we can write 2 dv square divided by c square into rest part is 1 by lambda. So this is the Michelson-Morley experimental part. And Michelson-Morley found that the total number of fringes inside the telescope is 2 dv square divided by c square into 1 by lambda.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर लैम्डा एन क्या है सर?
हाँ?
लैम्डा एन क्या है?
क्या लैम्डा? This part. Lambda.
डेल्टा एन सर. डेल्टा एन सर.
Delta n. Total
N.
number of fringes. Total number of fringes. Interference phenomena was held inside the telescope. Here, look this diagram. Just a minute, Pankaj. Here, there is a telescope is attached with this system, whole system. So inside this, when the beam strikes with a plate, after that it goes towards upper direction and it reaches to the mirror M1, which is placed at P. And when it strikes with M1 mirror, it return back here. Look, I have given a symbol arrow in the downward direction. It return back towards A metal plate, and after reaching to the metal plate A, it goes towards M2 mirror, and again it is through metal plate C, and again it return towards the metal plate A. So both the rays, both the reflected rays are enter into this telescope. Inside this telescope, fringes are interference phenomena was created. So if interference phenomena was created, in that case fringes or interference fringes are also having. So here total number of interference is delta n. After the completion of this part, we have writing here. We have writing if the apparatus, we are writing this language. If the apparatus is moved through an angle 90 degree, the path difference will be written as minus dv square divided by c square. So the displacement in the interference fringes is 2v square divided by c square, which will shift the fringes in the telescope, inside the telescope, through n number. So delta n with the total number of fringes, and that will be equal to this. Okay. Forward. A Pankaj.
Yes, sir. Sir, what we find by this experiment, sir?
Yes. Hello.
What we find by this experiment, sir? Michelson-Morley experiment.
Michelson-Morley determine the total number of fringes. Means what phenomena was held in during this experimental setup. So he got that according to this experiment, he got interference phenomena was held, and it was held inside this telescope. Okay. Interference phenomena.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, anybody ask some question?
सर
Yes, Sisi.
हेलो
हाँ, yes, Sisi.
सर यहाँ सर एल क्या है सर? एस का बगल में, सोर्स का बगल में सर.
Here, L with the
यस
lens.
सर.
L with the lens.
सर ये लेंथ है.
L
तो सर एस से लेकर ए तक का लेंथ है.
Here a lens is attached in between the source of light.
ओके.
And, okay.
यस सर, यस समझ गए सर.
Okay. Next. Ayush. Anybody doubt?
No, sir.
Sir,
No.
frame of reference.
Prakhar Gupta, you have any doubt? Prakhar?
Sir,
Yeah.
the frame of reference.
Yes.
Frame of reference, sir.
Frame of reference.
Yes, sir.
In previous class, I have already told frame of reference. A system relative to which the motion of any object is described is known as frame of reference, or in the form of coordinate axis. A system of coordinate axis which define the position of a particle. I have earlier class I have choose a point P in three mutual perpendicular axis x, y, z. Okay. So according to that diagram, we can define the position of a particle in 2 or 3 dimensional space is known as frame of reference. Okay, Pankaj.
Yes, sir.
Next, anybody? Some. So, uh, so I want to stop here. Okay. Hello.
हेलो सर. सर एक और डाउट है
हाँ.
सर. ये जो C माइनस V है
हाँ.
सर, वो C माइनस V यहाँ पर स्पीड ऑफ लाइट है सर.
In figure 2.
यस सर. C माइनस V और
हाँ,
C
C
प्लस
minus-
V जो है.
Just a minute. After completion of this schedule, माने class, you have C. You have C in any physics book, for BSc level. You have got this theory of relativity chapter. This theory of relativity chapter, when you got, you have seen everything which I have discussed. Only you have to attend in this class. Sir, I have not satisfied, sir. Here, what happened? No, first you have to. ये क्या है? ये पार्ट हमारा क्लियर हुआ. अभी you have to read just a book, and according to this diagram, when you teach a textbook, then you got everything. Every explanation or concept will be clear. If you see any book, theory of relativity, or any physics book, engineering physics, like this, if you have a S.L. Gupta and R.K. Gore, if you have S.L. Gupta and R.K. Gore engineering physics, in this book all things are given here properly.
सर अभी तो कोई बुक लिए नहीं है सेकंड सेमेस्टर का सर. लाइब्रेरी से इशू नहीं किए हैं
Library,
सर. अभी तो कॉलेज बंद है इसलिए.
related to theory of relativity, lots of books.
सर वही तो बोले सर, अभी तो लाइब्रेरी खुला है, मतलब
हाँ?
कॉलेज तो बंद है ना सर. अभी कॉलेज बंद है तो सर बुक इशू तो नहीं करा सकते ना.
You have to see in internet, everything is available. Download Michelson-Morley experiment from the internet. At this time, college is
यस सर.
not open. So another way is internet. So if you have writing in Google theory of relativity, or Michelson-Morley experiment regarding theory of relativity, you got everything. All things are given in internet. Hello.
यस सर.
Chalo. So today class is
यस सर.
stop. Just I am leaving from this class. Okay.
फिर ज्वाइन करना है सर.
Manish?
फिर ज्वाइन करना है सर.
No.
सर
Just
फिर
stop.
ज्वाइन करना है.
I am leaving from this class. Okay.
ओके सर.
Okay.
ओके.